This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 55 of Building Optimus Prime. We haven't done the arms yet, have we? No. I was going to say I don't know what his hands look like yet, but no, we haven't done the arms. But we're continuing with the torso. We've got a little bit more work to do on the back. Charlotte? Again, no idea. Can't remember her from the films. Sure, she's got interesting character. Golden Idol. Was that a special series, or I don't know? No idea about that. Sweeps. Again, no memory of that. I thought I knew everything about Transformers, but it turns out I know very little. I know very little about most things, but there we go. Cybertron's Beast Wars 2. Yeah, looking at all of the Beast Wars stuff. Yeah, not overly impressed by the Beast Wars stuff. I do prefer the traditional, the OG lot. But yeah, there we go. Looking at the torso, we've got what's the big silver thing? Back detail, tank detail. It's just a tank. I don't know what it keeps in it. We've got some details to put in first. Then we've got to make up the tank and then attach the tank using a couple of screws and another piece that we're not doing anything with yet. Maybe next time. Hopefully next time, because next time is the last of this batch. So let's get to the building. So I might as well start with the tank building first. It's just a case of popping that in there. It's got the two little slots that locates into. Get them lined up properly. There we go. So that just goes in there like so, and we need the screws to put that in place. That's the bit that we're not doing anything with yet. A tiny little bit. It looks bigger in the picture. We've got these two to install onto our ever-present torso. I've noticed I've lost a windscreen wiper. No idea. I shall have a rummage through all of my storage compartments and see if I can find it. It's obviously just come off at some point. Hopefully it's not lost for good. If it is, then be as it may. I might take the other one off as well. But I'm sure it will turn up. These are attaching onto the sides there. About that way around. There's two little pins on the back and two little holes for it to locate into. So let's try and get those lined up. Are they there and there? Right. Out there. Just can't get. There we go. That and that in there. That needs pushing in a little bit more securely than that, but it's about there. And this one about the same. Over that side. The tank is going on there with the open end at the top. Goes in place like that. So we've got two screws needed for that. There. And that will use up a couple of our attachment points on our new back panel. So get the screw that's there. It is coming together. I think next time we're not doing the other tank. We've got some more bits to put in it. I think another circuit board's coming in as well. So there we go. That's that. Another section completed. Join me next time for the final of this month's delivery, and I'll see you for that very soon. Bye bye for now.